Riley, what'd you do? Show me your hands. Can I see your hands? Do you want to take a bath?
I need a bath.
Why do you need a bath? Because why?
Because.
Can I see your hands?
What is the bath?
Well, I need to know why.
Because.
Look at your hands, Riley. What happened to them?
I get this.
You got it on your nose?
My binky.
You don't want to get marker on your binky. Should we go show Daddy?
Oh wait, the marker's still wet. Don't worry about it.
Okay, let's go show Daddy.
Put it to the table.
Okay, let's go show Daddy. Downstairs. Here, Riley, come show Daddy. Louie.
What?
Come show Daddy. He's over here.
What happened? Oh my.
What is it? Can you show Mommy what it is?
What did you do?
Cheese.
You got marker everywhere, Riley.
Oh. Go take a bath.
Okay. I'm taking a bath.
Go take a bath.